Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, hold your device's display and select X theme over here. Now you need to choose theme over here and click on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to, like cool, and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with summer. Then you need to click on download, and after that select apply. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select DIY over here. Then click on the paintbrush at the bottom right corner and choose your, for example, your new wallpaper over here. Okay, it's some kind of a glitch, so I will go into gallery, tap on any photo, choose maybe gallery go up, select this ones, and just done at the top right corner. Now you need to select wallpaper over here. I will just stick with that one by clicking on it, and lastly select icons. Now pick the best ones for you. I will go with those ones, and when you're ready, select apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device was successfully customized. But if you wish to go back into your default one, you can always do that by choosing settings, scrolling down and clicking on theme and lock screen. Now click on my theme, tap on XOS one and tap on apply. If you wish to delete or go back into one of your downloaded themes, just go into the same settings, click on it, tap on apply. Or quite opposite, I just need to change it real quick. You can also hold it and delete it by choosing this bin icon at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!